Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot CRM for lead generation and follow-ups, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and select the settings icon. In the left sidebar, locate the Objects tab and click on Contacts. Scroll down to Properties and review the default properties. Next, create custom properties if needed by clicking on Create Property. Fill in the required fields, such as the property name, and now, head back to the Contacts section. Click on Create Contact to manually add new leads. Fill in the contact details, including email, phone number, and any custom properties you created. Once completed, save the contact to your CRM. To automate lead generation, click on Forms in the left sidebar. Select Create Form to design a lead capture form. Choose the type of form that suits your needs, such as a pop-up or inline form. Add fields to your form by dragging and dropping them from the options available. Once satisfied, publish the form and embed it on your website. Next, go to the Workflows section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Workflow to automate follow-ups with leads. Choose the type of workflow you want to create, such as a contact-based workflow. Set triggers based on the properties you defined earlier, like form submissions. Add actions to your workflow, such as sending emails or assigning tasks to your team. Once all actions are set, activate your workflow. To track lead engagement, navigate to the Reports tab in the sidebar. Explore the analytics available, such as contact activity and email performance. Make adjustments to your lead generation strategies based on this data. Regularly revisit your workflows and properties to ensure they meet your evolving needs. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to effectively use HubSpot CRM for lead generation and follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.